Hello my dear students of class 7, very good morning and assalamu alaikum. I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Jor Rahman, assistant teacher of Maths, Milestone School and College, Sector 14, Uttara, Dhaka. Now I am going to discuss multiplication and division of algebraic expression of chapter 4. But at first I would like to discuss from previous lesson. So from previous lesson already you have completed exercise 1.1 and 1.2. But first I would like to discuss the definition. So definition today, can you tell me what is called rational number, what is called irrational number, and what is square and square root? Yes, you can tell. Very good. Thank you. Now I am telling what is called rational number. A rational number is a number that can be expressed as a ratio or fraction is called rational number, right? So 2, 3 or 0.1 is a rational number, right? Now what is called irrational number? An irrational number is a number that cannot be expressed as a fraction or ratio of two integers is called irrational number. So root over 2, root over 3 is a irrational number. Okay, now can you tell what is called square and square root? Now a square is the product of multiplication of a number by itself, and the number is the square root of the product. That means 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So here 4 is the square and 2 is the square root of 4. Okay, my dear students. So now what is called consecutive numbers? Numbers that follow each other continuously in the order from smallest to largest are called consecutive number. Like this 1, 2, 3 and so on are consecutive number. Okay, my dear students. This definition you have to learn, to memorize. Okay, now today's lesson is 4.1, and but before solving this math, I want to say a puzzle. I want to give a riddle. You have to tell this answer. Okay, my dear students. So suppose take a 8-letter word which has meaning. From this word, remove a letter. That means it still makes word and it is make also sense. Remove another letter and it still makes a word. Okay, so keep on doing that until you have one letter left. Okay, when you get the one letter, it has also meaning. So what is the word? Okay, so stay with me. During my class I will tell the answer. Okay, now let us start our class. Okay, my dear students, today's CW number is 5 and today's topic is multiplication and division of algebraic expression and chapter 4, but we will solve today's exercise 4.1. So you know the students the 4 operational sign in mathematics, which are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So you know the division is the inverse of multiplication and addition is the inverse of subtraction, right? So today we will solve we know the multiplication. So first we have to know some law or properties of multiplication. At the end of this lesson, student will be able to explain the law or properties of multiplication and multiply the algebraic expression. So first we know the commutative law of multiplication. So now write the commutative law of multiplication. So suppose 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Okay, again 3 into 2 is equal to what? 6. That means when multiplier and multiplicand are commuted each other, this product is unchanged. So this one is called the commutative law of multiplication. Okay, this product is unchanged. So we can tell the commutative law of multiplication means the commutative law states that the order in which you multiply two real numbers doesn't affect the result. Okay, So if we express as a symbol, so this one is like this: a into b is equal to b into a. This one is called commutative law of multiplication. Okay, my dear students, have you understood this one? What is called commutative law of multiplication? Right. Thank you very much. Now we know the associative law of multiplication. What is associative law of multiplication? Suppose 2 into 3 into 4. If you multiply these three numbers, so what will be? 3 4 are 12, 12 2 are 24. This one is the result, 24. Now if I make it group first, so 2 into 3 into 4. First one, suppose 3 2 are 6 into 4. What will be? 24. Okay, so like this. Again, if I take 2 into 3 into 4, again we will take this one, and now make group first 3 into 4, not 2 into 3 into 4. Now what will be? 2 into 3 4 are 12. Okay, so 12 2 are what? 12 2 are 24. So this one is called associative law of multiplication. So have you understood? When you make group first this two number and product is 24, but in second time I have taken, so in parenthesis, in bracket, I have taken 3 into 4. So this result is also 24. So associative law of multiplication is the product of 3 or more numbers remain the same regardless of how the numbers are grouped. Okay, so this one is called associative law of multiplication. So if we express as a symbol or letter, so it will be a, okay, a into b into c. Suppose this one is equal to, if I express like this, a into b into c. Okay, this one is called associative law of multiplication. Have you understood the associative law of multiplication, my dear students? Yes, you have understood. So exponential law of multiplication, laws of multiplication. We will discuss the two laws of here. So what is called exponential law of multiplication? Suppose if I discuss, suppose here a into a. Do you know how many a here? 2a, right? So that means a square we can write. Clear? If I write a into a, that means there are 3 times of a. So we can write a cube, right? A cube. So but if I multiply, that means a square into a cube. That means here, how many times of a here? 2 times. So a into a, again multiply by a cube, means this 3 times of a into a. So totals how many times of a here? 5 times, 2 and 3. That means 5 times. So we can write here a to the power 5, right? But this one, if we add like this, a square into a cube, it will be a 2 plus 3. That means a to the power 5. Okay, this one is the long process, but if I add like this way, this one is a to the power 5 also. So this one is called the exponential law of multiplication. So what is the exponential law of multiplication? So this law states that to multiply two exponential function with the same base, here, and we simply add the exponent. This one is called exponential law of multiplication. So if we express as a symbol, so it will be, suppose a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to, we can write a to the power, so the exponent just simply we have to add, so it will be m plus n. Okay, students, this one is called exponential law of multiplication. So another one, again we can write, so this one is the a to the power m into a to the power, you know, this one is the formula. So again, if I write, suppose a cube square is equal to, that means this square is expressed, that means there are 2 times of a cube, right? 2 times of a cube, that means a cube into a cube, like this. 2 times of a here, like this, a square. So a cube whole square, that means a cube into a cube. So we can simply, that means this one by using this formula we can write 3 plus 3. That means what will be? A to the power 6. So in only one base you can simply like this you can solve, but when you get the in one base it will be a cube whole squared. So at that time, suppose in only one base, here is two base but same, but when you get this only one base, it will be a 3 2 or 6. Just multiply this the exponent. So when there are two or more exponent, only one base, at that time you have to multiply 3 2 or 6, that means 6. So in general we express the symbol, so it will be a to the power m and exponent, that means this one, a to the power n is equal to a to the power m n. Just multiply the m into n, it will be a to the power m n. Now my dear students, have you understood? When you get a to the power m into a to the power n, at that time you have to write like this, a to the power m plus n. That means this exponent you have to add in the same base, okay, and in only one base. If you get the exponent like this way, at that time you have to multiply just, okay, m n, that means m into n. Okay, now distributive law of multiplication. Suppose 2 into a plus b, this one we can write a plus b plus a plus b, like this way. We can write like this way. That means how can, that means 2x is equal to x plus x, we can write like this way. That's why you can write this one. Okay, so 2 into a plus b, that means a plus b plus a plus b. So a plus a plus b plus b, this one we can write like this way, right? So now a plus a, you know, this one is 2a, and plus b, it will be 2b. So 2 into a plus b, this one we can write like this way. But distributive means, so this 2 will this 2 is distributed with a and b. So this one we can write 2 into a plus b is equal to 2a plus 2b. So simply we can write this 2 we will distribute with a and b or more number. Okay, this one is called distributive law of multiplication. So what is called distributive law of multiplication? The distributive law is used to multiply a single value and two or more values within a set of parentheses. Within set of parentheses means in bracket. So this one is called distributive law of multiplication. So it can be the more values, not only two. Okay, have you understood now? So now multiplication of expression with sign. That means, you know, maybe in class 6 already have learned. So multiplication, that means, you know, the product of two like sign, that means same sign, expression will be preceded by plus sign, and the product of two unlike sign will be preceded, that means unlike sign expression will be preceded by minus sign. Okay, so that means we can write plus into plus. Okay, this one, plus into plus is equal to plus. That means minus into minus is equal to also plus. This one is the same sign. Okay, but when you multiply, suppose plus into minus, this one will be minus because this one is unlike. Okay, unlike sign. Again minus into plus, this one is also unlike sign, right? So this one is also minus. When you multiply the same sign, it will be plus. When you multiply the different sign, okay, that one will be minus. This one is called multiplication of expression with sign. Now can you tell me what is monomial? Yes, now I'm telling what is called monomial expression. That means monomial expression, a monomial is an expression in algebra that contain one term, is called monomial expression. So monomial means, that means 7xy plus or 2xy, so only the single term, that one is called monomial expression. So when what is called polynomial expression, which one is more term, more than one term, that one is called polynomial expression. So we can tell the polynomial, any algebraic expression having more than one term, that one is called polynomial expression. Now dear students, have you understood this, the basic thing we have to know? Okay, then you can solve the multiplication, we can easily understand the multiplication, how to multiply the different algebraic expression, different term. Okay, now let's solve the maths. So now, my dear students, now we have to solve this multiplication. So there are two terms here. So here multiply, we have to multiply the numerical number here. So just write the solution, and already I have written this one. So 5 into 3. First we will multiply this numerical. Okay, and there is a square. Now we have to take this a square. So a square into a. Just multiply this one. A square into a. Okay. Now x square along with x to the power 5 here, so into x square into x to the power 5. Okay, the same symbol will multiply first. Okay, then into y. So just right here. So 5 3 are what? 15. So is very easy, right? So a square into a. This one is the formula. That means exponential law of multiplication, you know. So a square into a, you know this one. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. This one formula. Okay, so a square, there is no exponent here, just take 1 here. So it will be a2 plus 1. Okay, again this one multiplication. So here x square into x to the power 5. This one will be x2 plus 5. Okay, again this one by using this formula into y. So what will be? Just write 15, and here it will be 2 plus 1, that means a cube. X to the power 5 plus 2, it will be x to the power 7, and y. This is the required multiplication. Okay, so this one is the required multiplication. Now dear students, have you understood this one? Required product AB 15 and a cube x to the power 7 and y. This is the answer. Okay, so have you understood this one? Just using this formula we have to solve like this way. All maths we have to solve by using this formula when you multiply. So now number 8, already you have written the solution. So just write when you get comma, and we have to multiply like this way. So again we will multiply the numerical symbol. So here is 7, and this one is minus, that means minus 3. You know already this one minus 3. So 7 is plus and 3 is a minus, but this one is multiply. You know plus minus makes minus. So you have to multiply. So now here is a cube. Is there any a? Yes, a square. So a cube into a square, just we have to multiply. So a cube into a square. Okay, into, now here is b. Is there any b? That b square. So just write b into b square. Again right now check. Here is x to the power x. Is there any x? Right, yes, x to the power 5 into x to the power 5. Now check, here is y square. So just write y square. And is there any y? Yes, y cube. Just write y cube. Okay, so just write here. So minus, what will be? Minus plus minus makes minus. So 7 3 are minus 21. So this one a cube into a square. Okay, by using this formula, exponential form, that means a to the power m plus a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So just write here. So a 3 plus 2. Okay, just multiplication. Again multiply b 1 plus 2, same way, into x 5 plus 5 into here y 2 plus 3. Okay, have you understood this one? Yes. So a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n by using this formula. Okay, so now minus 21, a 3 to our 5, so it is power 5, b cube, x to the power 10, y to the power 5. This is the required product. Now have you understood this one is the required product? This one is the answer. Okay, by using this formula, just a to the power m into a to the power n, a to the power m plus n, just using this, then you can solve this problem. Now my dear students, now chain number. So this one is the monomial, that means single term. This one is the polynomial, that means double term. Okay, double or more than double. So now we have to multiply first that using the distributive law, right? 2 into a plus b, that means 2a, okay, minus 2b. It can be plus or minus, distributive law. Okay, I have discussed only the plus 2 into a plus b, but it can be minus also. So now just multiply first this one and this one, right? So what will be 5 into 9? Okay, that means this one is the numerical number. Then x square into x square. So just write x square into x square, and along with there is also y square. Okay, then this one and this one first, then minus, give this minus. Again 4 and 9 we have to multiply. 4 into 9, this one is numerical symbol. 4 into 9, first we have to multiply. Then x into x square, right? X into x square. Okay, into this one is x, this one is x square. Again y into y square. So you can write y into y square. Okay, so now 5 9 are how many? 45. So here the same base, right? Same base, x into x. You know the formula, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So just write here into x 2 plus 2 into y square. Here we have to write minus 4 9 are 36. Okay, here also we have to write x. There is no exponent here, just take 1 here. So x 1 plus 2, okay, into y, there is also 1, so 1 plus 2. Okay, so just like this. So 45 x to the power 4, 2 plus 2, that means x to the power 4, and just here write y square minus 36, what will be? X to the power 3. So just write x to the power 3, that means cube. Then here is y 2 plus 1, it will be 3 also, that means cube. Okay, this one is the answer of chain number. Now dear students, have you understood or not? Yes, you have understood this one. That's very easy, just using this formula. Always you have to use this formula, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. When it is the same base, okay, when it's same base is multiplication and there is exponent, okay, at that time we have to just add the exponent, okay, this one is just. So now next number. So my dear students, now we have to solve 50 numbers. So already I have written the solution, so just we have to multiply. So this one is the multiplier, this one is multiplicand. So just multiplier, first we will multiply this one multiplicand. So first always multiplier we will write this one term, okay, then we will write the multiplicand. So this one is multiplier, so first we have to write x square, this one, okay, into this one, x square plus 1. Okay, there is minus, so we have to write minus. Okay, then again we have to write the multiplier, and then we have to the multiplicand. So x square plus 1. Okay, now we have to multiply this one, that means by using distributive law. So it will be, what will be? X square into x square. Okay, x square into x square. Okay, plus x square into 1, it will be x square. Okay, minus x square into 1, that is x square, it will be very easy. Then plus minus makes minus, right? So it will be minus, so minus 1. Okay, so you know x square, that means x square into x square, same base, then power, so power will be addition. So we can write 2 plus 2, it will be 4. Okay, x square into x square, it is 4. That means this one is the formula, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. By using this formula we can write this one, okay, plus this one x square is minus, this x square is plus, so we can cut this one, so remaining part is minus 1. So this is the required product of this. Okay, so this is the answer. So required product required product. So dear students, I hope you have understood this one, because this one is very easy. Okay, now maybe now you are understanding this one, right? So now we have to solve 90 number. Okay, now we'll solve 90 number. Already I have written this one, so just write multiplier into multiplicand. So here is x, so x into multiplicand, that means x square minus 2xy plus y square. Then minus again write multiplier, that means y, and again x square minus 2xy plus y square. Now is it easy, right? So x into x square, it will be x cube, right? Then 2x square y, x into x, that means x square, then plus xy square. Okay, then minus x square into y, we have to multiply, so x square y, minus minus makes plus, so it will be 2xy square. Okay, plus minus makes minus, so it will be y into y square, so it will be y cube. Clear, students? So now it's very easy. So x cube, and this one is the same variable x square y, and this one is x square y, but this one is minus, this one is minus. When you get the like sign, you have to add, so it will be 3x square y. This one is xy square, this one is xy square, same variable, right? So we have to, here is 2, here is suppose 1, so 2 and 1, it will be 3, both are plus, so it will be 3xy square, then y cube. Okay, so this is the required product of this expression. So now students, have you understood? Now is it very easy for you, right? Because already you have solved some maths. Okay, so next maths. So now 22 numbers, so already I have written, so a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. Again we have to write the multiplier into multiplicand, multiplier into multiplicand. There are 3 terms here in the multiplier, right? So just write here a into multiplicand, so a plus b plus c is very easy, right? So just then there is a plus, give the plus, again multiplier. Okay, so the second multiplier, that means, okay, so again we have to write the multiplicand a plus b plus c, again write the multiplier c into again multiplicand, so a plus b plus c. Just write like this. Okay, now we have to multiply this one by using distributive law, you know, right? So a into a, now we can write simply, okay, shortly. So a into a, that means what will be a into a square, right? A into a square, that means a into a, that means here is 1, here is 1, there is no exponent, so just think there is 1, so a 1 plus 1, that means a square. This one is the formula of a to the power m, that means a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. By using this formula, always we have to write like this way. So a into a, it will be a square into plus a into b, that means ab plus a into c, ac, plus b into a, that means ab, plus b into b, b square, plus b into c, bc, plus c into a, that means ac, plus b into c, that means bc, plus c into c, c square. Okay, so the same way you have to solve. Is very easy now. So a square, okay, a square. So now just we will write the, which one is the square, we will write first. A square plus b square plus c square. If you don't write like this way, no problem, just you can, ab here is also ab, okay, both are plus sign, like sign, so we have to add, so 2ab, and now bc plus bc, both are plus, so it will be 2bc, that means we have to add. Now ac plus AC, okay, this one AC plus AC, so what will be AC plus AC? It will be 2AC, so 2AC. This is the required product of this expression. Okay, now have you understood this one? I hope you understood. Now is it very easy, right? So now the next number. Okay, now we'll solve the 24 number maths. So 24 number, again you have to solve same way. So just write here is multiplier is 1, so just we'll write 1 into this one, multiplicand y square minus y plus 1, there is plus sign, again write this multiplier y, then again multiplicand, so y square minus y plus 1, My dear students, maybe you are telling, sir, you are doing the same maths, right? Y square, again write the y square, again write the multiplicand. So y square minus y plus 1, right? So it's easy now. So 1, when you multiply by 1 or with any number, so the product will be the same. So we just write y square minus y plus 1, right? So just write now y into y square. What will be? Suppose there is 1, so 1 plus 2, it will be 3. That means y cube. Okay, y cube. Then y into y, it will be, now we can multiply, right? You can solve this problem. Y into y, it will be y square. Y into 1, it will be y, because 1 y1 are y, plus y square into y square. What will be? Y square into y square means, that means the same base and the exponent will be addition, so it will be y to the power 4. Now we can solve this one, minus y square into y, just there is 1, so it will be 2 plus 1, it will be 3, so y cube, and plus, so y square into y, so y square, right? Now it's very easy. So now check y square. Is there any y square? Right, this one is y square. So this y square is a plus, this y square is a minus. So we can cut this one. Okay. Then y is a minus. Here y is a plus. So again we can remove this one. Okay. Then is there any? Yes. Y cube is a minus and y cube is plus. So we can also remove this one. Okay. So another one, what will be? So rest of the part is, the rest of the term is 1. Then plus y square plus y to the power 4. Okay, 1 plus y square plus y to the power 4. This is the required product of this expression. Now dear students, have you understood how to solve and how to cut this one when they are the different sign, unlike sign? At that time we can remove. Actually no need to remove. For better understanding I have cut this one, but don't cut. Okay, because when you subtract 2 minus 2, we are writing 0. We are not doing, that means like this, right? Okay, just for better understanding I am cutting. I am that means this one I have cut. Okay, now the next number. Students, 26 number, a is equal to a square minus ab plus b square, and b is equal to a plus b. Here given ab is equal to what? That means ab is multiplied, okay, each other. So just we'll write a is equal to what? A square minus ab plus b square. So this one is multiplied with b, so b is into, that means a plus b. So again same way we have to solve. This one is very easy. Dear students, now again we have to multiply the multiplier into multiplicand, plus b square. Then there is a plus, again write the b, and again we have to write this one, a square minus ab plus b square. So always we have to solve that by using the distributive law, right? So now a into a square, what will be? A into a square means a cube, right? A cube. Again this a we have to multiply this one, right? That means by using this one, already we have write in 2 into a plus b. That means 2a plus 2b. Okay, by using distributive law. Okay? All maths are doing like this when you get the more than one term. Okay, so just a into a square, and a into a square, that means a square, a into a, that means a square, and along with b, so that just write b. So plus a into b square, that means a into b square. This is the opposite, well they're not same variable, right? So just write here like this, ab square. So just we'll write this ab square. Okay, then plus b a square, that means a square b will write. Okay, you can write also b a square, no problem. So a square b minus a b into b, that means b square. Okay, a into b. So just write here plus b square into b, it will be b cube, because 2 here is one single. Okay, so it will be b cube. So now check a cube, a square b, a square b. This one is plus, this one is minus, so we can remove this one. A b square, a b square. This one is minus, this one is plus, so we can remove this one, right? So plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube. This one is the required product of AB. Okay, so is there easy or not? Required product of AB is equal to a cube plus b cube. Is very easy now, right? This multiplication, I hope this chapter is very easy for you. Okay, be attentive in my class. Okay, my dear students, next 27. Okay, my dear students, now we have to solve 27 number. 27 number, a plus 1 into a minus 1 into a square plus 1 is equal to a to the power 4 minus 1. So first we have to multiply this left side and we'll get the right side. Okay, now multiply this one. So there are three expressions here. That means this one, this one, this one. So first we will multiply this expression. Okay, so first we will this one is, we will take this multiplier and this one is multiplicand. Okay, dear students, so now a into multiplicand is a plus 1, then there is minus, give this minus 1 and you will write again the multiplicand. Okay, and we will give this second bracket and this multiplier we will write, okay, right here just. So first we will multiply this one. So a into a, it will be a square, right? A into a square, and a into 1, that means a minus a, this one is minus, plus minus 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 a, and plus minus minus is also minus, so minus 1. Okay, so just write like this, a square plus 1. So this one is minus, this one is plus, we can remove this one. So again write the a square minus 1 into a square plus 1. Again this one is the multiplier, right? So again a square into a square minus 1 plus 1 into, again write the multiplicand, a square minus 1 is very easy. Now maybe you're telling, oh, it's very easy. So a square into a square, can you tell me what will be? Yes, a to the power 4. So 2 plus 2, that means a to the power 4 minus a square plus a square, right? And minus 1, right? So just write, this one is plus, this one is minus, so we can remove this one. So a to the power 4 minus 1. So this one is right hand side. So just we write left hand side equal to right hand side. This one is proved. That means we can write this one is should. Okay. So today's maths already finished. Now dear students, have you understood or not? I hope you understood this one, because always we have to use this exponent formula, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power n plus n. And when you get the mode term, at that time you have to multiply the distributive law of multiplication. Okay, my dear students, now I have given a maths of 40 number of exercise 4.1. Now you have to solve yourself. Now is your time is start. Now your time is finished. Now check your maths. Okay, what I solve now this. Okay, now solution. A plus b into a minus b. Again we have to solve a into a plus b minus b into a plus b. So just multiply a square plus ab minus ab plus, plus minus makes minus, it will be b square. So just write ab is minus, this one is a plus, so a square minus b square. Okay, now your answer is a square minus b square. Yes, most of the students can solve this problem. Thank you very much. Thank you. Now my dear students, now your SW is 23, 25 and 28 of exercise 4.1. Now you have to solve yourself, okay, and send to your subject teacher. Dear students, is there any problem in the video class? In this class, please ask your subject teacher. Now we are telling, I have given a question, but still I did not give the answer, right? Okay, next video must I will give the answer. Thank you very much. Thank you.